Hey friends, welcome to another exciting video. In this video we will cover on how to get more YouTube subscribers in 2020 by making a channel subscribe link. For anyone who is just starting out or trying to grow your YouTube channel, you will know how hard it can be to getting your first 100 subscribers, let alone 1,000 subscribers just to get monetized. By now, if you don't already know, that if you want to get monetized on YouTube, you will need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within a year. For whatever reason you have in starting a YouTube channel, it is definitely nice to switch on that monetization tab on YouTube, whether you care to make money or not. And in this video, that is what we will be covering. I will show you how to get more YouTube subscribers in 2020 with a simple trick that many people new to YouTube may not know about. And that simple trick is to create a subscribe link within your description to every video you upload on YouTube. As there are many tricks and strategy on growing your YouTube channel, we will only discuss this one simple trick. And if you want more beginner's tip to growing your YouTube channel the quickest and most effective way, be sure to like, subscribe and hit that bell notification for more awesome videos. Alright, let's get started. Here's how to create a YouTube subscription link to put in your video descriptions, or anywhere else you'd like to offer for people to easily subscribe to your channel. Step 1. How to find your channel's URL. Simply go into an incognito window on your browser. Pull up YouTube. Search and find your channel on YouTube. And then copy the URL up top. Then take your YouTube URL and paste it into a notepad. Step 2. Take your URL and add sub_confirmation equals 1 to the end of it. Now copy your whole channel URL with the added link. And then paste it into the URL search area up top. Click enter and here's what people will be shown when they tap on your link. Important note, when someone taps your YouTube channel's built-in subscription link on mobile, they will be taken to your YouTube channel only. The subscribe prompt that you see here will not show when they are using their cell phone to click on the link. This YouTube channel growth trick will only work on desktop unfortunately, but if they click on your link on desktop, this tool can easily help you get more subscribers fast. All you have to do now that you have the link is to include it in all of the videos you upload. Now you may be asking, how do you get people to click on the link? The simple trick that gets people attention is by writing, "Do not click," right next to your subscribe link in your description. This will have a reverse psychology effect that will get people to want to find out why you don't want them to click, and in turn they will do so more often. There you have it, a simple trick to get more subscribers fast. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like, share and subscribe to this video as it will help this video get shown to more people to also help others to grow their YouTube channel quickly as well. Thanks again for watching this video on how to grow your YouTube channel by creating a subscribe link. I will see you in the next video.